Greetings, YouTube. Black newborn babies in the United States are more likely to survive childbirth if they are cared for by black doctors, but 3 times more likely than white babies to die when looked after by white doctors, a study has found. The mortality rate of black newborns in hospitals shrunk by between 39% and 58% when black physicians took charge of the birth, according to the research, which laid bare how shocking racial disparities in the human health care can affect even the first hours of a person's life. By contrast, the mortality rate for white babies was largely unaffected by the doctor's race. So, I want you to let that wash over you for a second. That the racism is baked so deeply into the DNA of America that white doctors just let black babies die. I mean, there was a time in America where physicians thought that black people couldn't feel pain or had a deadened sense of pain because of racism and mythology. And this apparently is a holdover to that kind of a mindset. Put a black doctor in charge of a black child's birth and they have the same mortality rate as white children do. Put a white doctor in charge of that black baby, and there can be a 58% chance the kid will die? That's terrifying. But in the year 2020, it's not even going to be a blip on the radar. Not when you have a president standing on a national stage during debate giving orders to the white nationalists of America to stand by, which in the narrative of the military is an order to stand by for further instructions. And that's what they're doing. The Proud Boys have already incorporated that into a motto: stand back, stand by. And here we have the racism baked into the very first minutes of a child's life. They haven't even had a pundit point out how they obviously are more criminal than the white babies. No, the doctors don't give them a chance for that. The white doctors just let them die out of indifference, lack of understanding. Because, I'm pretty sure that biologically a white baby and a black baby are the same. It's just that you don't care. I'm at a loss. I would love to hear white doctors defend this. I would also like to see the disparity between male and female doctors, to see if men and women have the same rates, because it has been my personal experience, I'm 56 and I've seen a lot of doctors in my day, that men tend to care a whole lot less about their patients than women do. They are far more indifferent to every aspect of their patient's care than a woman doctor is. And unfortunately, the men are often in charge of the systems. The system that will let black babies die. So you're coming to the world, you've been here a minute, and already the system is stacked against you. You never had a chance. That's vile and disgusting and mind-blowing.